You're not ugly. The real problem is 5 bad habits that are destroying your face every single day and you don't even notice them. The bad news, if you don't fix them now, you'll keep looking older and less attractive than you should. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly what those 5 habits are and how to fix them. And the good news, the fixes are simple and you'll start seeing results in just weeks. Let's start. 1. Mouth breathing. This is probably the most dangerous habit on this list. You probably don't even notice it, but if you breathe through your mouth instead of your nose, especially while sleeping, you're literally changing your face structure. Now, here's the problem. Mouth breathing weakens your jaw muscles and causes your face to grow longer and narrower over time. It gives you a recessed chin, flat cheekbones, and that weak, unattractive look. The result: weak jawline, dark circles, constant tired appearance, and the worst part is this happens so slowly you won't realize your face is changing. So, what's the fix? Simple. Train yourself to breathe through your nose. Keep your lips closed, tongue on the roof of your mouth. If you mouth breathe at night, try mouth tape or see a doctor. The sooner you fix this, the better your face will look. 2. Chewing on one side. This one's crazy because it actually changes your face structure over time. If you always chew gum, food, or snacks only on one side of your mouth, that side of your jaw gets more developed than the other. Over years, this creates facial asymmetry. Your face starts to look uneven, and asymmetry is one of the biggest killers of attractiveness. Even small differences like one cheek looking fuller than the other make your face look off. The solution? Start chewing evenly. If you chew gum, switch sides every few minutes. Same with food. Train yourself to use both sides. Over time, this keeps your jaw balanced and your face looking sharp and symmetrical. 3. Bad sleep. Sleep is literally where your body repairs itself. When you skip it, you don't just feel tired, you look tired. Dark circles, puffy eyes, dull skin, and there are many long-term effects. Think about it. When was the last time you looked in the mirror after an all-nighter? Your face looks swollen. Your skin looks lifeless. Now imagine doing that to your body every single night. That's what most guys are doing without realizing it. Fix your sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. Go to bed at the same time every night. And most importantly, cut out screens an hour before sleeping. Your phone is killing your melatonin. Good sleep equals clear skin, fresh face, sharper jawline. 4. Scrolling before bed. This is a silent killer that most guys don't connect to their appearance. Every night you're on your phone for hours before sleeping. That blue light from your screen destroys your melatonin, which ruins your sleep quality. And bad sleep shows up on your face immediately. But here's what's worse. You're also comparing yourself to perfect images on social media, which increases stress and cortisol. High cortisol ages your skin faster and makes you store fat in your face. Compare 2 guys, one who puts his phone away an hour before bed, one who scrolls until he falls asleep. The first guy wakes up fresh, energized, with clear skin. The second guy looks exhausted, puffy, and aged. Who do you think looks better? The fix? Put your phone away 1 hour before bed. Read a book, stretch, meditate. Your sleep quality will improve and your face will look alive again. 5. Blaming genetics instead of improving. This is the worst habit of them all. So many guys look in the mirror, see flaws, and instantly say, "It's genetics, I can't change it." That mindset itself is what's keeping you looking worse. Sure, genetics set your base, but your habits, grooming, fitness, posture, and sleep decide how much of your potential you actually show. Look at any transformation photo online. You'll see guys who went from average to highly attractive. Do you think all of them had perfect genetics? No, they just worked on what they could control. The truth is 80% of your attractiveness is in your hands. Stop blaming genetics. Start improving. Fix your breathing, sleep well, balance your jaw, manage stress. That's how you unlock your real potential. That's it. If you want more videos like this in future, then make sure to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon, and also check out the link in description.